JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing another crochet butterfly locks, but this time it's from another company. So this company is called DUS, DUS, I'll leave it here, and they sent me their butterfly locks crochet 12 inches in the color 1B, and this is what it looks like. To me this looks more like butterfly lock opposed to the first video that I did. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave it in the iCard here or somewhere. The link will be in the description box. So this is what the hair looks like. So they sent me 7 packs of their hair, and it also came with some lashes. So this is their 3D lashes, DUS 3D lashes. So this is what it looks like. I might wear them because they look good. They're really soft. So it came with lashes. It came with a crochet needle and some hair accessories. So hair accessories and crochet needle. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is a mess, but it is moisturized. So yeah, and my hair is a whole mess. It's a mess. Alright, so first thing is first, let's talk about this heat damage. I'm planning on cutting it, but I'm waiting until like my hair grows out a little bit more so I can cut it here, because this is, yeah, this is how much heat damage I have on my hair. And it's only in the front. In the back part is 100% natural, but it's only in the front, like right here, like, yeah, like this much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair, and I will be showing you guys the braiding pattern that I'll be using. I'm just gonna keep it simple, so I'm planning on doing just like straight back at the front, you know, straight back. Yeah, simple. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is part a section from here.
Naughty, bringing back these memories. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable.
So now that I have my front part sectioned off, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle it a little. And if you see my hair shedding, I think I mentioned it in a previous video that I am suffering from postpartum shedding. So this is a little piece, this is a little bit, and this happens like every day or whenever I comb my hair. But so far I've tried to like limit combing my hair, so I would have it like in a bun or in cornrows or braids, just to not be in it like as much. So that's helping. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair, and I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the braiding pattern. So
come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya, get to know your blue eyes and the way you smile. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable.
Alright, so this is my braiding pattern. My parts in the back might not be perfect, but they'll do. And as far as shedding, this is the amount of hair that I shed. Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start start with my first bundle of hair. Alright, so unlike the other one, this one is pretty easy. So you just open the little hoop right here, and it's the same method. Put the hook under, attach the hair, close the hook, pull it through, attach it to the end, close the hook, pull it through, and that's that. Alright, just like that. So that's how I'm gonna install this, and I decided to go with like a side part. So this will be my part right there. Yeah, this will be my part, and I'm gonna put everything else over to this side. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish crocheting all the hair, and if I leave any spots or if I have any space left in the back, I'll fill it out. But yeah, so this is the finished look, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. And as you can see, I didn't bring the hair like too close to my edges because like I mentioned time and time again, I'm nervous. I'm not bunny in the watch. All right. Like I mentioned time after time that I'm suffering from postpartum shedding, so I don't want to contribute to that, so that's why I didn't bring it too close to my hairline. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my edges in. I brush the little edges on the hair. Alright, so that's that for that accessory. So now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. Even though I said I was gonna give it like a center part, but I might give it like a half up, half down. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a half up, half down kind of look. So this is the finished look, you guys. So yeah, so like I said, this hair is from DUS. Here I'll leave their information in the description box down below. They are also a Amazon based company, and if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get it in less than 1 week. So yeah, so like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box to this hair, and this is their crochet butterfly locks. This is what it looks like up close. Beautiful. So yeah, So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.